12:28, and I'm much happier about showing the estimated rainfall map now compared to last week. Because over the last 24 hours, you know what the biggest rain total has been? About 3/4 of an inch in Willacy County. What a difference a week makes. And that's really the story, really for the next, not only for the rest of today, but the days ahead. Yeah, there are going to be a few showers and storms around. If you get under a thunderstorm, maybe it could produce a ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch really quick, but that'll be our biggest rain totals. And there are going to be a lot of folks over the next few days that are going to miss out on our rain chances. We don't see any signs of any widespread heavy rain anytime soon. It is a different story up to the north. Notice all of this mess. Yeah, that is some big-time thunderstorms, not only producing a flash flooding risk for this area, but also a severe weather threat. This is what we're expecting for the rest of the day. You see that shade of orange? That's the best chance of getting some hail, damaging wind, but really anywhere where you see that shade of yellow is also the chance for some tornadoes as well. But you can see Texas all in the clear, just regular showers and storms here. And the chance for us is very small for the rest of the day. The last chance is going to be about 3 o'clock. Notice just some tiny little blips of green, and no guarantees that you're going to see rain today. Our best chance of rain has already passed. And I think for the late afternoon and evening hours, it's just going to be partly cloudy skies, and it's going to be a quiet night. We're looking at partly cloudy skies during the evening, but late tonight and early tomorrow morning, I do think it'll be a mostly cloudy start. A lot of low-level clouds to start the day. And then right around 11 a.m. or so, that is when those sea breeze showers and storms are going to start to fire up in the lower valley. Usually this is a pretty typical pattern. They start around lunchtime, usually in the lower valley, and then they will try and push inland, but they usually don't have as much success. So the chance of rain tomorrow is slightly higher in the lower valley and slightly lower in the upper valley. And we're still not talking about a lot of rain. There are going to be a lot of folks that miss out on the rain chance tomorrow. Eventually, once we get past mid-afternoon, those clouds are going to be breaking up, and by the early evening hours, we'll have mostly sunny skies. I do think with a little bit more sun overall tomorrow, maybe a little bit longer period with mostly sunny skies, it'll be just a touch hotter. It's going to feel about the same, though, because I think the humidity will be a little bit lower tomorrow. So basically, our feels-like temperatures, just like today, are going to be in the low 100s. I know that the high temperature only says 93, but it is not going to feel that cool until about 4 o'clock. Still a chance for a few showers and storms, but not much. For the most part, it's just going to be partly cloudy and very humid with a typical breeze for this time of year, around 10 to 15 miles per hour with an occasional gust up to 20. Partly cloudy during the evening, mostly cloudy skies late. I think we'll cool down to 77, a little bit cooler than last night, but not much. And in the days ahead, we're going to go with 10% chances of showers and storms for Wednesday and Thursday. And then on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, it looks like we're going to be completely dry, just plain old mostly sunny skies, but those winds are going to be picking back up. In fact, Friday and Saturday, it's looking like wind gusts could be around 30, 35 miles per hour, maybe even up to 40 miles per hour along the coast. So that would probably be the only negative, really. But we don't have any rain chance to worry about again until Monday. It looks like that sea breeze may start to kick back in. Notice our temperatures are going to gradually climb, but they are reasonable for this time of year. Mid-90s. Normal high temperature for us in the valley is around 95, and that's basically where we're going to be, just below or just above it. So pretty typical weather for the end of June and beginning July here in the valley. Well, more news right after the break.